Hello everyone. So today we will be understanding MHC class 2 molecule. MHC class 2 molecule, really important when it comes to expression or presenting the peptides, especially the extracellular peptides. So we talk about the structure. It has two membrane proteins, specifically alpha and beta. So you can see in green you have alpha, and in the red you can see this is the beta chain. So two independent structures are there in MHC class 1. Basically beta chain is very small. In this one it's not. It's almost equal in size. You have alpha 1, alpha 2 domain. Here you have beta 1 and beta 2 domain. So you can clearly see you have four domains. This is the cytoplasmic region. This is the transmembrane region right over here. And that one outside is the extracellular region. So this particular protein will have three specific proteins: extracellular, transmembrane, as well as intercellular. And this one right over here is the peptide-binding region. It's also known as peptide-binding groove. So let me write it down. Groove. Right, and you can see this region is open at both ends, and the amino acids that are going to bind right over here, 13 to 25 amino acids. So when they are getting expressed, you have 13 to 25 amino acid, and they, as you can see, this side is open at both ends. So we also call it as open site. When we talk about beta 2 right over here, very important domain, it is going to interact with CD8 co-receptor. So it's going to help in T cell activation, especially the helper T cell activation. Right, so helper T cells, they're going to get activated. Both alpha and beta will have membrane protein, especially, and that is not the case in case of MHC class 1, right? And they will have their own transmembrane helix. In MHC class 1, beta doesn't have transmembrane. So this region is basically the transmembrane region. This is for alpha, TM alpha, and then TM transmembrane region of beta, right? And then you also have this small cytoplasmic region. It's also known as cytoplasmic tail. So I'm going to write alpha beta tails right over here. Okay, if we talk about the short tails, they both have that small region in the the cytoplasmic region. They also have these CHO groups. Let me label it out. CHO groups. So glycosylation is very strong right over here. And further, what you have is the glycosylation, which is addition of CHO, is there, and that is important for folding as well as transportation of this particular molecule. Okay, so as you can see, these are some of the important points. Now, if we talk about the peptides, extracellular peptides are expressed by MHC class 2 molecule. Examples: you have parasitic peptides, or bacterial peptides. Most of the bacteria, they cause extracellular infection, right? And then they're going to help in T cell activation, especially the T helper cell activation, which is containing CD4 co-receptor. So beta 2 is going to bind to that particular co-receptor. So this is the structure of MHC class 2 molecule, and we have also created the similar video on MHC class 1 molecule. So just type MHC class 1 molecule and you should be able to find in our channel the same kind of video. So it will help you understand what is the structure of MHC class 1 molecule. All right, so we'll meet in the next video. If you like the video, then please hit the like button and do subscribe to the channel. It helps us create more and more videos. It helps us to provide quality education. So if you please can subscribe and also share the video, it will help us a lot. Thank you so much. We'll meet in the next one. Take care.